Today we are going to be opening the Barbie cake decorating playset. I am so excited. So let's get started. So let's just tear this right off. And when we open it up, you can see all the things. So I'm just getting this here right off. And wow, we have this beautiful box with all the things. Let's put this right here. And wow, this is so cool. There's an oven and there's a cake spinner. So let's get started opening this. So I have some handy dandy scissors. So let's just cut the strip right here. Oh, and let's just free this Barbie. Be really careful. Don't want to cut anything else. And obviously, she's hands right there. There we go. So this is the Barbie, and we got her out. And it looks like she has a really beautiful apron to wear. So now let's take out this entire oven set. Wow! Look at this. Keep it right here. Looks like we can move the handle to adjust. And we can move the handle to adjust. There's a spinner to move the cake around and frost it. And there are some displays right here. And here is a cake box. Now let's go back to the opening. Wow, it looks like we have this. It's a displayer to display the cakes, and there's beautiful pictures of this beautiful displayer. Let's put that also on top with the accessorizing oven. Now, let us look back. It looks like we have a few tools right here. So, let's get them out. The plastic. Okay, so let's get it out. Wow! It looks like we have a frosting panel that we can use to decorate the cake. Let's put that right here on our oven too. Wow, it even looks like we have a keel pull to pull the cake out of the oven. Let's put it there. Now, we even have this really cute desk to sit on, the cakes to sit on. Let's put that back too. Let's put that here. Now, let's see our other stuff. Let's push this right out. It looks like we have some tools to eat the cake at the playset. These two look really great. Let's put these here too.
So it looks like these are all the cake decorating items.
Yes, even these.
Wow,
even
see the rainbow?
Yes.
I love the rainbow. Which one did you like the best?
I think I love this one with all the stars.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite too.
And now let's get out the teddy bear. So now let's get the bear out. Wow, this is so cute to put on top of the cake. Let's put that right here too. Now, for the last item, we have Play-Doh to actually mold and make our cakes. let's get them out. So this looks like blue Play-Doh. It looks like you can make a great cake. Let's put that right here. Now it looks like brownish peaches birthday cake Play-Doh. Wow, we can make a birthday cake out of this. Let's put that here. And now it's our biggest one. Play-Doh. It's pink. We can make a great cake out of this. Let's put that here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my cake decorating playset unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.